Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Studies Code. It is 8 a.m., which means it is time for your daily dose of vocabulary with me. The session is going to be under 10 minutes, and the words you're going to see here are taken from the Hindu. So if you have yet not subscribed to our channel, make sure to do so, and don't forget to hit on that tiny bell near it so that every day when this session comes, you all get notified. My apologies, there was a gap in these sessions. Few days the session was not uploaded because I was sick, and this was the reason these sessions were not there. But I assure you guys that this session will come every day from now onwards. Okay, and the weather is getting little bit cold now, so I urge you guys also to take good care of yourself. With that being said, let's start this session and let's discuss the first word for today. The first word that we're going to discuss today is promulgate. Promulgate means to promote an idea, a belief, a cause, etc. among many people. So you're trying to promote an idea, a belief, any cause that you feel like that you believe in along with other people. So you are trying to promote it. Okay, it could be anything here. I could give you a very simple example of how these influencer people do it, right? So they'll promote a particular idea, they'll promote a particular product that they think that is good, right, among other people. So they are trying to promulgate that. Okay, the sentence here says this surcharge was imposed under the country's emergency regulations promulgated in May. Okay, the synonyms are publish, announce, proclaim, and declare. And the antonyms here are conceal and suppress. Coming to the next word for us is surcharge that we just saw in the previous sentence. It means an extra amount of money that you have to pay for something. So this is additional cost that is added, okay, to whatever you're spending. This is kind of an additional charge on it. Here the sentence says the airline has added a $20 fuel surcharge on all international flights. So they have increased the price by $20, extra amount that every person or every passenger that is traveling has to pay. The synonyms here are fleece, gasm, hook, and overcharge. Here, these first two are different and we'll star mark both of them. So pay extra attention on those. The antonyms here are discount, deduction, reduction, or abatement. Here, this one is different and we'll star mark that. Next word for us is deferment. Deferment means the act of delaying something until a little later, or an occasion when something is delayed until a later time. So you're trying to delay something. So you're defermenting it, you're delaying that particular thing. Coming to the sentence, we have he did not seek deferment from military service. So he did not receive any delay from the military service. The synonyms here are postponement, delay, wait, and hold up. Simple. Next, the antonyms here are rush and haste, exactly opposite of delay. Next word for us is peril. Peril means great danger. Here, you could see the image also depicts it. So, these pollutants that come out of factories are peril to our health. Okay, they are peril to our health because they are very dangerous to our health. The sentence here says a lack of trained nurses is putting patients' life in peril. So, because there are no trained nurses, proper trained nurses, the patient's life are in great danger. The synonyms here are threat, danger, risk, menace, and you have hazard. So here menace is different and we'll star mark it. Antonyms here are protection, ward, guard, and shield. Next word for us is condone. Condone means to accept or agree with something that most people think is wrong. So other people do not believe that this is the right thing, but you accept it and you also agree to it. So you're condoning something here. The sentence says, I can never condone violence, no matter what the circumstances are. So I'll never accept violence, whatever the circumstances are, whatever other people might believe that this is the right thing to do, I'll never believe in it. Synonyms are justify and explain, and antonym here is to condemn something. Next, we have the word gamut. Gamut means the complete range or scope of something. Okay, complete range of anything, scope of everything. So you know all aspects of it. Coming here, you could see the picture will depict the same. Here you could see a lot of range of colors. So you have a gamut of colors. All the aspects are there. The sentence says the actor displayed a rich gamut of facial expressions. So he displayed a complete range of facial expression, which is kind of expected from a very good actor. So he did that. Synonyms here are orbit, range, and scope, and etonims here are limitation and narrowness. Next, we have the word for the day, which is ouster. This is the word that we discussed in our previous session. Okay, I hope if you have watched that session, you might be knowing the meaning of it and also the synonyms and antonyms related to it. So, I expect you guys to answer it in the comment section. This is the least you could do if you're watching this session. And lastly, we'll end the session here. If you did like the content here, make sure to hit on the like button. It might not mean a lot to you guys, but it actually gives us the motivation to keep on bringing this sessions for you. So make sure to hit the like button. With that, in the comments, answer that the word we asked. And also, if you have any other feedback related to this particular session, you can mention it in the comment section. And lastly, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. With that, we'll end the session here. Thank you for watching.